ThinkCentre Neo 50T Gen 4. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Powerful, eco-friendly business tower. Business tower with clean, minimalist, modern design. Up to 13th Gen Intel Core processing for power. Tools for sharing, communication and collaboration. ThinkShield security features to help safeguard data. Meets or beats multiple clean environment standards. Ports and slots for all your office peripherals. Processor 13th Gen Intel Core i3-13100. Graphics, integrated Intel UHD graphics. Memory 8GB UDIMM DDR4-3200. Storage 1TB HDD 7200 revolutions per minute 3.5. Optical drive optional, DVD burner, DVD plus or minus RW, SATA 1.5 gigabits per second, slim, 9.0mm. Card reader optional, 3-in-1 card reader, SD, SDHC, SDXC. Chipset Intel B760 chipset. Form factor tower, 13.6L. Dimensions, WXDXH, 145 by 294 by 340 mm. Weight around 5.5 kilograms. Case color, black.